All right, everybody, welcome. So, thinking of what you want to do. Now, obviously, this can be whatever you want, but for this, I'm going to do a clown. With sort of a Cirque Berserk feel, with a slightly deformed body. Even though it's pretty cliche to do deformed bodies nowadays, I personally have not done one, so I would like to. First, I would like to find a strange pose. Something awkward. I looked on Google and I found this. I can't tell you how I found this. I don't remember what I typed in. I might have searched like tomato soup in Google, and this is what I got on page 3. So I have a basic pose. It's very extreme, and I need something gnarly. I need some gnarly reference of a real life person. The only one I could think of without typing in deformed person is, of course, Elephant Man. I got another one here. So I didn't go high res with it. I can see most of the detail in there anyway, but the rough idea is there. I wanted something with big lumps, saggy skin. Obviously, he's got some saggy skin right here. He's got some bulgy ribs, some not so fantastic abs, and a big and little arm. Totally different. And half his face is pretty much messed up. So I was thinking doing a big arm this side, little arm this side, and a nice little connection. He doesn't have a connection here. He's just got a big old lump. I'm going to put a connection of muscle and skin just all up in there. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to start with this cube. No, I'm not. I'm going to start with this. This is my model from Full Sail. I did this about, like 5 years ago. The edge flow is really rough, so don't laugh at me. Oh, it's not too bad. No, it's pretty bad. That's horrible. But this is a good start, just to get something going. General proportions are obviously very important, so I'm going to just sculpt based on my reference. Look at that tiny arm. So I don't want to go too Elephant Man. Oh, I don't want to go too Elephant Man with this. I want it to be sort of stylized. Just keep it a little bit cartoony, not too cartoony, but not too realistic. I'm just gonna make him. Let me set my brushes up real quick. This is ZBrush 3, unfortunately. I wish I had 4. Move, and I got my standard. I always around 12 for standard, and not that one. This one. Turn off. No, it's already off. And move is already up 100%. So this head is gonna be just a menacing thing. His brow is gonna be down. I'm assuming it's gonna be quite nasty. He's looking like an alien, actually. Let me bring this. I kind of want to deform his head. Keep it sort of uniform. Also, all of this sculpting in the first part, I need to just block everything out first. General proportions. I don't want to put asymmetry in this yet. I'll be posing this later on, and that's when I'll be adding in the big arm and then making the little one a little smaller and messing that one up like crazy. Also then adding in the tumors. I don't want to add in tumors yet, and these have to go. Oh, my smooth. Probably should have had all this set up beforehand. I always have this down about 0.5%. I never have it out, whatever it was before, 100%. Just way too much. And I always use Move Tool. Move Tool is just real nice to just get every big shape in there. like standard is just for up and down. This goes up and down too, but I like that. That's sweet. I want broad shoulders, kind of. Has he be short? He could be short. Nah, we'll make him a big head, a nice big head. Gonna invert that. Gonna scale this mother up. Well, no, not too big. Also apologize. I apologize because I'm a little sick as well. I caught this from my roommate. It's not the best thing ever. I need to get a good. What's he look? What's it like? God, look at that. So bad. Forehead. Thinking, yeah. Okay. I'll do a large forehead and semi weird ears. I'll get to the ears later on. I don't want the ears to be normal, human normal. So I'm thinking a nice, awkward, just fleshy mess. Actually, for one ear. The other ear is going to be within this tumor that's connected to his shoulder, which is going to be quite nasty. I don't want the rib to come out too far. Then his eyes come down. Perfect, I'm done. Although I do have a sculpt, so I'm going to switch over to the next video, and then we'll start with the posing and asymmetry and more sculpting.